Hello, David here, and the project for today is playing a video game called Little Big Snake. I'm not a gamer, but my grandsons are here and they wanted to show you some things on Little Big Snake. If you're not a gamer, just go on to one of my other videos. So my grandson Ruff Ruff is going to take it from here.
Okay, you might remember that we made another video about Little Big Snake, and we don't know, we don't have a goal yet, but we made our own goal that we are going to try to get in a dungeon. So if you don't know what a dungeon is, it's a portal can pop up. A portal can pop up at any second, and if you head to it and go to it, you'll go in a dungeon, which may or not be friendly. If it's friendly, that means you can go through other snakes without dying. But if it's not friendly, you will die if you hit another snake. And also, if you see flowers, that means it's friendly. If you don't, that means it's not. Yeah, but it fades out kind of pretty quickly. So we have pets here. So like the pets, they help you get food, and these are all the achievements. Evolution, and layer, and here's the shop, but we're not gonna go there because we're not gonna be shopping. So wait. Okay, we're back, and let's check out our friends. And I saw that two people copied our skin. Wait. The one who's in dungeon. Wait, why can't I play with it?
It's full. Try it.
Mm-hmm.
See? You could play Donut Eater, but he's not in the dungeon.
I'll just play the first one. That's a VIP. Okay. Oh, turns out he's pretty big. And okay, let's just try to get as much as food as we can. I still haven't played in a long time, so it might. Oh, okay. I got in the dungeon, and it's friendly. There's flowers.
It also says so at the top.
Yep, it does. But I think it fades out. Does it? Oh, it doesn't fade out.
What happens if you slither into a rock?
Well, you die. That happens. So I'm kind of being careful because when you die, your friend might not be in the dungeon anymore, and if you join them, you won't be in the dungeon.
Well, you better start eating food because you only have a minute and a half.
You need a minute and a half. Okay. Just start to get food. Because in a dungeon, there's lots of circles of food around. Because you can't kill anything. And that's why the dungeon is special. Because there's a lot of food just laying around. And you can just eat it all. It just spawns like that. Ooh, there's a big ton of big pile of food. Whoa. sponsor.
Well, you just drove into a rock and you're dead now.
Yep. Oh yes. And if you go to a dungeon, you'll get some medals. And you press fly, you can fly as a bug, but you can't kill. You can only eat food. And if you get 100% of food, you win, and you'll glow golden, and you go back to the lair. And I don't want to fly as a bug. See in game, the ones who says like in game right here, that means they're not in a dungeon. If it said in dungeon right here, it means it's in the dungeon. So there is no portal here, so I'll just play normally in the normal realm.
I'm gonna find your lair.
And we're almost here. We're almost to the gold and experience bubble parts and other parts. Well, that we got the XP. Well, so you'll get 266 gold, 264 XP, and 1 bubble. We've skipped some stuff, and I'm a snake, so I'm gonna go this way to the gate. I have hiccups, so things might sound odd. It's kind of like a basketball, but just you have to get you in where it needs to go instead of the ball. Because where I need to go right now is the layer thing. Oh, this might be it. And I know this might be it. Or it won't be. Oh. Just die. I died. Come on. Advertisements and boom. Okay. Classic mode. Boom. Okay. Okay. Should I kill him? No. No time for snack breaks. Or actually, speaking of no snack breaks, I could use this. There you go. Okay, these slugs, even though they barely make me bigger. Okay, and we'll just skip ahead of this guy again. It's the same name tag as the other one. Whoa. There we go. Finally, I can get around him. Okay. I'm just so mad right now. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button, maybe, and ring that bell